Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Innal hamdalillah nahmaduhu wa nasta'inuhu wa nastaghfiruh wa na'udzu billahi min syururi anfusina wa min sayyiati a'malina may yahdihillahu fala mudhillalah wa may yudlilhu fala hadiyalah. Asyhadu an la ilaha illallah wahdahu la syarikalah wa asyhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluhu amma ba'd. Ya ayyuhalladzina amanu haqqa tuqatih wa la tamutunna illa wa antum muslimun. Halo guys, welcome back with me. My name is Ahmad Afa. I'm from Network Engineer class, and today I wanna tell you about beautiful place in the world. Okay, for the first, I will tell you about London. London is one of beautiful city in the England. In London, there are five facts that I know. In the first fact is London is a small city. In the second, got Big Ben's iconic tower. And the third has 170 museums. And the fourth, a city with many different ethnic cities. And the last, multilingual city. Yes, and London has many multilingual city. When you come to the England, you have to visit in the London also because in London you can get many things in London. Okay, next. In a second, I will tell you about Jakarta. Jakarta is one of city in the Indonesia. Jakarta is a beautiful place or beautiful city in Indonesia. Okay, I will tell you about uh, Jakarta City Fact. There are seven facts of Jakarta City that I know. The first, a city with many skyscrapers, such as just like Monas and the others. And the second, mall heaven. Of course, Jakarta has many malls. And the third, one of the most populous cities in the world. Jakarta has many population uh, in the world. And fourth, had changed name repeatedly. And five, abundant museums. And six, city mascot like Monas. And the last, many Instagrammable spots. This is explained about Jakarta. So uh, when you go to Indonesia, you have to go the Jakarta also because Jakarta has many things. Like I say, Jakarta has many mall and many skyscrapers and the others. Okay, and next I will tell you about Mecca. Mecca, Mecca is in Saudi Arabia. Is the one of beautiful city and beautiful place in the Saudi Arabia in the world also. Mecca has many facts, and there are seven facts that I know. Okay, I will tell you. First, the tallest prayer room in the world. And second, never lonely. Yes, Mecca is never lonely because there are peoples that will uh, do haji in the Mecca. So Mecca is never lonely. And the third, the world like largest garbage collection network. Uh, when I saw in the website, I saw the in Saudi Arabia has many many garbage. Uh, 600 ton garbage in the Saudi Arabia. It's so a lot, bro. It's so a lot. And the fourth, fish crossed by car. I get this fact in the article. So I don't know what the mean of first crossed by car. In the fifth, the greatest and largest clock building in the world. Mecca or Saudi Arabia has largest clock building in the world. You can see in the picture, this is the largest clock building in the world. And six, the oldest settlement in the world. And last, Kaaba. Okay, look at the picture. This is the Kaaba. So Kaaba is many people visit Kaaba to do haji in the Mecca. So this is the holy place. Yes, holy place. Mecca is holy place. Okay. So when you go to the Saudi Arabia, you have to go the Mecca also because Mecca is the holy place. Okay. And next, I will tell you about Istanbul. Istanbul is in Turkey. This is the one of beautiful city or beautiful place in the Turkey. I get 3 point of fact Istanbul. Uh, I get 3 point of Istanbul city fact. The first, Istanbul, ancient Byzantium, was founded on the seven hills like Rome. The second, Istanbul is the only city in the world located in Europe and Asia. And the third or last, Istanbul is one of the largest cities in the world with 15 million inhabitants. Uh, I recommend for you to go Turkey because Turkey is one of country that has uh, beautiful city in it. Okay, next. Okay, finally, uh, I will tell you about Madrid. Madrid is, of course, is in Spain. This is the one of city that beautiful. Madrid, it means Madrid city, not Madrid club. Not it's not Real Madrid. Okay, okay. I will tell you about Madrid city fact. I get this in website. Okay, I will tell you. On New Year's EFE, the citizens of Madrid will gather in front of the government building located in the Puerta del Sol. When the bell rings, they will carry out the tradition of eating 12 grapes, which represent good luck for the next 12 months. Next, in Europe, Madrid occupies the second position as the city with the largest subway metro network. There are 12 metro lines with more than 200 stations. This transportation is the most widely used for traveling within the city. But it turns out that traveling by bus is cheaper. For a single ticket, the metro costs 1.50 while $1.50 while the bus costs only 0.59, especially if you want to travel between cities such as uh, a hour trip from Madrid to Malaga will only cost you $20 by bus and 150 dollars by train. Taxis can cost $3 per 5 minutes. This is explain about Madrid city fact. Okay, this is I recommend also to go the Spain. Okay, when you go to the Spain, you have to go to Madrid also because, like I say, Madrid is beautiful city and beautiful place in the world. Next, okay, I will tell you about Negbor city of Madrid. This is Barcelona. Yes, Barcelona is in Spain also, and I will tell you about uh, Barcelona city fact. Okay, first, Barcelona is the only city in the world to win the Royal Gold Medal for architecture. In fact, this award is usually pinned only to an individual or a group. And next, Barcelona is also the most visited city in Spain. While in Europe, the city has entered the top three several times alongside the cities of London and Paris. There are nine UNESCO World Heritage Cities in this city, of which seven were built by Antonio Gaudí. And fourth, one of Gaudi's works, Sagrada Familia, apparently until now is still the largest church in the world that hasn't been completed, even though he is more than 100 years old. And the last, there is a theory that says Barcelona is much older than the city of Rome in Italy. Barcelona residents also believe that Hercules was the one who discovered and built this city. This is a beautiful city. Okay, Barcelona. Look at the picture. This is amazing. Okay, and next, yeah, this is Indonesia, man. Indonesia has also beautiful city like Jakarta, and this is Bandung. Bandung is also a beautiful city in the Indonesia or in the world. It means okay. I will tell you about Bandung city fact. The first, Bandung has the Bandung Film Festival, which is quite prestigious and continues to this day, even though it was banned during the New Order. And second, Bandung to host the 2008 Indonesian Film Festival. And the third, the first film that was made and shown in cinemas in Indonesia was Lutung Kasarung on December 35, 1926 in the city of Bandung. The second is the film Eulis Aceh in 1927 also in the city of Bandung. And the fourth, hepatitis B and rabies drugs are only made in cluster for the world needs. Bandung has drugs for hepatitis B and rabies. So wow. And the last, in Bandung there are various factories of well-known fashion brands. For example, Quicksilver, Mark and Mark and Spencer and Billabong. This is explained about Bandung city fact. Okay. Uh, for the foreign country, okay, when you go to the Indonesia, okay, you can visit in the Bandung because Bandung is beautiful city like I say. Okay, you have to come to the Bandung. And next, I will tell you about Roma. Yes, Roma in Italy. Look at the picture. This is Colosseum. Yes, you know about Colosseum. If you don't know, you can search in the Google. Okay, you can search Colosseum. Yes, like that. And I will tell you about Roma city fact. Uh, in here, I get 4 point of Roma city fact that I know. Okay, I saw in the website. In the first, Rome is on one of the cities in the world that has a long history. The capital of Italy is said to be witness to the development of human civilization from the past to the present the city. But the eternal city has a myriad of beauty that can be enjoyed by tourists from all over. And second, Rome is the only city in the world that has a stage in it. Yes, that country is the Vatican with its capital Vatican City. In Roma, there is a small country. It is the Vatican. Vatican is a country that Paus live in Vatican City. Hmm. Uh, you know Paus? Yes, Paus in Vatican City. If you don't know about Paus, you can search in Google. Paus. Okay. Next, uh, the third point is the symbol of Rome is the sea wolf. That's because the wolf is believed to be the one who takes care of Romulus and Remus, the two figures who built Rome. And the last, Tossing a coin into the Trevi fountain pool is a popular thing to do. The amount collected daily reaches 3,000 euros. Okay, it's so wow. I just to know. And when you come to the Italy, okay, you have to come you have to visit in the Roma. So because like I say, Roma is the beautiful city. Okay, like me, I uh, I never go to the Italy, so I will try to go the Roma. Okay, next. Yes, this is Malaga. Malaga in Spain. Yes, same like Barcelona, Madrid, and then I will tell about Malaga. Yes, Malaga in Spain. And I will tell you about Malaga City Fake. Okay. With its location on the Costa del Sol, Malaga boasts some of the most fantastic coastal views in the country. The port of Malaga is located just a few minutes outside the city center and impresses visitors through its successful adaptation to a modern setting. A variety of shops and restaurants are clustered around the area and make for the perfect break after strolling the harbor to watch the cruises and cruise ships roll in or to people watch, soak in the relaxing atmosphere of Malaga and breathe in the first ocean climate while sipping a cool drink. Castilla de Gibralfaro, a modest palace dates back to the uh, 10th century and is located on the hill of Gibralfaro, overlooking the city of Malaga. Historically, the fort was noted for its 3 months siege by Catholic kings. That nearly ended with the surrender of the starving Mataguefers. The chapel has been valiantly restored and also feature a military museum. It can be reached by bus or on foot, but well worth the hike to take in the beautiful view of the city. Additionally, you can reach Gibraltar via the picturesque Paseo Don Juan de Temburi Trail, which leads south of the Alcazaba. This is explained about Malaga. So you have to when you go to the Spain, you have to go to Barcelona, Real Madrid, and then Malaga. Okay, okay. But if you have a lot of money, you can go to the both of them. Okay, this is a recommend for me. So nice, very nice, and so good, very good. Next, yeah, and finally, I will tell you about uh city where I live. This is Pekalongan. Yes, Pekalongan is in Indonesia. Uh, I will tell you about Pekalongan city fact. Pekalongan is city in Central Java, Indonesia. The city bordered by the Java Sea to the north, Batang Regency to the east, and Pekalongan Regency to the south and west, and is located on the Pantura line that connect Jakarta, Semarang, and Surabaya. Pekalongan is 101 km west on Semarang City, or 384 km east of Jakarta. The city is known as the city of Batik. Yes, of course. Pekalongan is the city of Batik. When you go to the Pekalongan, you can see in Pekalongan there are many batik in there. Okay. If you know Zinedine Zidane, you know, yes, Zinedine Zidane is player of football. He is he ever use he ever wear the batik I saw in the website. Okay, because Pekalongan batik has a distinctive and varied pattern in uh, to 2021, the population of Pekalongan city is yes many people with a density of many peoples. Okay, Pekalongan city also has the largest fishing port on the island of Java. This port is often a transit and auction area for marine catches by fishermen from various regions. In addition, the city also has many seafood processing companies such as salted fish, smoked fish meal, shrimp paste, sardines, and fish crackers, both large-scale companies and home industries. This is explain about Pekalongan. Yes, Pekalongan is beautiful country because this is city where I live. Next, okay, finally I will tell you about city of USA. This is the California. Okay, California city fact. Okay, I will tell you about California city fact. Okay, one of the place in California that valley valley is also known as the hottest and driest place in the United States. Although it has the hottest and driest place, but uniquely California has the nickname the land of milk and honey. Land of milk and honey. The United States of America is diverse country is an undeniable fact. Diverse here in terms of nation and race, which are not only wild whites and blacks, but also Hispanics, Persians, and also Asians. For Asians, the most common are India and China. American society is also generally welcome to immigrants as long as we also try to blend in, be friendly. The cost of living in most cities in the United States is very expensive due to high taxes, the cost of repair and installation, even as simple as changing the watch battery, changing clothes or pants will also be very expensive. Besides, tipping is a culture in this country, regardless of the type of service you reside. It is a must. This is explained about California City. You have to come there because this is USA. USA is beautiful country. Okay, next. And finally, I will tell you about Tokyo. Tokyo is of course is in Japan. Okay, look at the picture. This is the picture of Tokyo maybe, but I don't know. I get in a website, so I don't know about Tokyo. But I will tell you about Tokyo City Fact. Tokyo City Fact. The first Tokyo was first inhabited around 3000 BC. Formerly, this town was just a small fishing village called Edo. And second, Tokyo is often referred to as a city, but is officially categorized as a metropolitan prefecture, which is distinct from a city and combines element of both a city and a prefecture. And the third, Tokyo has more than 35 million inhabitants, which makes it the largest and busiest metropolitan area in the world. And the fourth, Tokyo is known for its very constant and busy public transportation. And the fifth, Tokyo is one of the seven cities to visit. Claims against tourists are very rare. And the last, Osia or pushers are recruited to literally push millions of train passengers into the carriages during rush hours. This is explained about Tokyo. And next, I will tell you about Berlin. Yes, Berlin is in Germany. Berlin City Fact. The most popular interesting thing in the city of Berlin is that this city is known as the city with a million festivals of gay and lesbian people. Wow. Gay and lesbian people. Shit. Sorry, wow. Every year, this gay and lesbian festival will be held and on the streets of Europe and usually takes place at the Zero Adults. As the name suggests, this festival offers comprehensive information about LGBT, called the most popular place in Berlin because each year the festival can attract as many as more than 5 40 400,000 visitors. It was the LGBT group who initiated this festival to become a series of entertainment featuring live music, cultural delight, and information about contemporary art performance. Next, people in the German city of Berlin cannot be separated from drinking beer, which is a major part of their culture. The city is also referred to as the home of the longest beer garden in the world. The beer garden is also part of the International Beer Festival, which is held annually and is one of the largest festivals in Germany. In this place, you will find beer ships that create 2.2 km of Berlin City Street and 300 breweries offering 2,000 types of beer. Visitors who come and join the party will be offered drunk, I think, accompaniment. A unique and strange from the city of Betis instead is flooded and with more than 50 million cigarette bulk that are dumped on the streets every year. Previously, there was a ban of smoking indoors so that many smokers smoked on the streets, but now it's allowed to smoke in the bar or indoors. Explain about Germany. The next, I will tell you about Chicago. It's also in USA. Chicago City Fact. The first four countries can be seen from the sky deck. Second, I'm sorry, I haven't translated into the English, so I'm sorry. And the next, Twinkies host the first city to debut an all-color television station. It has the only river that flows backwards. And then six, opened the first U.S. blood bank and the last first television presidential debate. Explain about Chicago. And as finally, I will tell you about Bekasi. Bekasi in Indonesia. Okay, I will tell you about Bekasi city fact. The first flag is that Bekasi has many industrial areas scattered in various corners of the city. Both Bekasi City and Bekasi Regency have industrial areas. In Bekasi Regency itself, there are several factories from various multinational and international companies gathered in an area such as Jabo, Beka, Fujib, Filobo, Cikarang, and Sinar Maslan. Not to be outdone by Gelora Bung Karno or Pekansari in Cibinong, Bekasi also has a magnificent stadium, Patriot Chandrabaga Stadium. That stadium can accommodate approximately 30,000 spectators. The capacity of the stadium is quite large compared to other stadiums in cities around Jakarta. To connect one area to another, Bekasi is also planning to build a monorail. The existence of the monorail is not inferior to the construction of the MRT in Jakarta. The monorail line itself will also connect the Jakarta-Bekasi area. Several areas will be traversed by this monorail including Lipo Cikarang, Deltamas, Jababeka. No need to go far to the to other areas to see unique animals because Bekasi is also a habitat for these animals. Yup, Bekasi has a unique animal, namely the Javan lutung. Lutung, langurs are known to access on the coast of Muara Gembong district. Uniformly, the animal is threatened with extinction because the total number continues to decrease. From the information circulating, there are only about 100 Javan language in Bekasi. This is explained about Bekasi. And next, I will tell you about Karimun Java Island. This is in Indonesia. Karimun Jawa Island fact. Karimun Jawa is the home of not only one but three rare fauna in Indonesia. The three fauna are white-breasted sea eagle, green turtles, and scarlet turtles for friends who like bird watching and wading through mangrove forest. Karimun Jawa is the right place if you are lucky. You can see one or even three rare fauna that can still be found in Karimun Jawa. Karimun Jawa is known as an archipelago with a total of 12, 26 is island in North Java. Only 5 islands are populated by residents, the rare inhabited or nothing else. The 5 inhabited islands are Karimun Jawa Island, Mosquito Island, Karimun Jawa Island, Parang Island, and Genting Island. On the 27 island, 22 of them included in the Karimun Jawa National Park. In addition to electricity, the development of Karimun Jawa as one of the leading tourist destinations in Indonesia is also supported by Asian access. This Asian access and the vacation cost that land to be very cheap can be the right choice for the Bulibu friend. The easiest access to Karimun Jawa is by departing from Semarang. You can go to Semarang by train or plane. Okay, and these are explain about city in Indonesia or in the world. Beautiful city and beautiful place in the world. Okay, maybe that's all for me. I'm sorry about about my mistake. Yes, and the last I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.